Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Adit Agarwal. Welcome you all to another event of the virtual e-week organized by Impresario, the ESLF Amity School of Business, Kaun Banega Vyapari, which brings out the Vyapari within you. Amity is a leading educational group of India, which started as a dream of an extremely successful industrialist and our honorable founder president, Dr. Ashok Chauhan, sir. Extending the vision of our honorable founder president, our honorable chancellor, Dr. Atul Chauhan sir's dynamic leadership has brought Amity on a global platform. We extend a sincere gratitude to our honorable vice chancellor, Professor Dr. Balvinder Shukla ma'am, for her motivation and support, and our director sir, Professor Dr. J.K. Sharma, for his continuous efforts and guidance. I would like to welcome our faculty coordinators of ESL Impresario, Dr. Nidhi Gupta and Dr. Rishi Sapra, who have been our pillars of strength and guiding force all through the event. At Amity, we are passionate about grooming leaders who are not only thorough professionals but also informed individuals. Virtual E-Week is a whole week of new learnings every day. It is a 6 days event with a series of sessions comprising of e-summit, workshops, alumni talk, and many more activities. With 1,000 plus students from 110 plus universities and institutions all over the country. With 6 external speakers and 24 Amity School of Business alumni, for Kaun Banega Vyapari, we have received 200 plus registrations spread across various universities. So, to begin with, here are the guidelines for the event. Kaun Banega Vyapari consists of logos, taglines, and business cases divided between 4 unique rounds. The quiz will be conducted on Quizzes, an online app. We will be giving you a brief about how to use the app before the event starts. Participants are requested to be on mute. For any help, they can drop a message in the chat box or the WhatsApp group for the assistance. Please make sure you have a good internet connectivity for the duration of the event. In case of any issues with the connectivity, we will not be held responsible. The first 3 rounds of the event are quiz-based rounds with time-based questions that are 30 seconds for each question. The faster you answer, the more points you get. But make sure that you give the right answer and not just a quick answer. After round one, top 50% participants will qualify for round two, and then top 50% participants of round two will qualify for round three. And at last, round four, we will be having top 5 participants. Results from the app are final binding, no deviations will be made. The complete leaderboard will be visible to you. Here you are competing to capture the throne of Kaun Banega Vyapari. So let's play this game with all our honesty and be a true Vyapari, which also means no cheating, please. To start the game, we will be displaying a code and sending a link to you, by all which you can enter on Quizzes app or website and join the game by putting your own full name. Once we will start the game, the questions will be visible to your end. So to start with the game, here is my friend Vaibhav to conduct the round one. Over to you, Vaibhav.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the wait is finally over. I, Vaibhav Sharma, welcome you all to the event Kaun Banega Vyapari, presented to you by ESL Impresario. So, participants, the rules of this game have already been briefed to you all by my best friend Mudit. So, Mudit, really great job, man. Your best friend is proud of you. So now, my dear participants, let me brief you all about the rules for round one, since I will be your host or host for that round. So people, you might have seen various logos throughout your life, maybe in the banners, which you see while driving, in television advertisements, or in the products you use, like the Camlin marker I have with me right now. I'm not sure if anyone can see this, but no worries. So the round one will test an oil on the very same. We will be showing you the images of different logos, and you have to simply match them with the right option. As simple as that, participants. That's the entire story for round one. So since the screen is still not there, so till that time, Mudit, my best friend, if I may ask you, on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited you are for this meet?
I guess 11, Vaibhav. I'll answer 11. I'm way too excited, and I hope all the participants are too.
Mudit, I expected your answer to be 100 out of 10.
It is. It's 110, Vaibhav, for sure.
That's my best friend for you, everyone. It's nobody's.
Everyone is really excited. I think Harshit, we can share the screen now.
Yes, let's see. the link to join the quiz and the code to enter will be right there on the screen. Okay, the screen is loading. Here's the screen, participants. To join the quiz, simply visit this website, joinmyquiz.com, and then enter this code 579459. And in case you're not able to join, don't worry. We will be sending the link to join on your WhatsApp group. We will be dropping it on the chat box. Oh my goodness, we already have 7 people with us. And okay, 30, 40, 50. All right. No, 17, already 18. 19, 21. 21 is my favorite number, by the way. Okay. Participants now.
Excuse me, one question.
Yeah, sure. Go on.
Show me the link in which we have to join the quiz.
Yes, we will be dropping it on the WhatsApp group. Maybe you can join from there.
So go to join my quizzes and then enter this quiz. You'll be able to go through this page.
All participants, very simply, just open Google on your phone.
Yeah.
Type joinmyquiz.com. Click on the first link, and then you will land on the correct website. After that, enter this code 579459 and enter your good name. As simple as that. Okay, so in the meanwhile, Harshit, can we scroll down a little to see who all are going to be there with us for the round 1? Okay, lovely names. We have Chirag, we have Khushi Asrani, we have Mitasha, we have Gunjan Tiwari, we have Khushi Jain, we have Sonar Viho, very unique name. We have Kapil Sharma. He is my favorite comedian, by the way. So that's not, ladies and gentlemen, that's not important. We have Shreya Joshi with us. Lovely names. Some very unique names now, okay? It seems like everyone is damn serious about this quiz. So it is really stressing me out. I have to make sure this.
Also, participants, it is requested that you join using your own name, because in case you join using any fake name, then we won't be able to mark you, and also the certificates won't be provided. Thank you.
And it's gonna be really hard to evaluate for your score, so it's better to join with the original name. Thank you.
Exactly, participants. So the faster you join, the faster we can start. Also, participants, I have specially taken a bath for the first time in 4 days to do this. So please make my bath worth it. We have Vanya with us now. Great to have you on board, Vanya. We have Vrinda
Can you
Bhatia,
share
we
the
have Vishal
please
Singh.
link in the group?
The link is not there in the WhatsApp group. Let me.
Could you please share the link?
Link of quiz.
Yes, we're just sharing it.
Yes, we are sharing in a while.
Ojaswini, are we audible to you? If yes, please let us know in the WhatsApp group or the chat itself.
Someone has joined Vyapari number 1. Well, my friend, there are still 4 more rounds to go until we get on that.
Use this quiz on PC also?
Yes. Just simply open Google, type joinmyquiz.com, enter the code 579459.
And I request her
I hope I will
remove the participant by the name of Vyapari number 1.
So, gentlemen or lady, I know
I love the
you are
concept.
damn excited for this, but
Among the participants that guys, we have 4 rounds. So please join with the original name. It will be really great. Thank you.
plus I have been practicing my hosting for the past 1 week, so even I have to prove myself to you all. Let me just adjust my screen so that I am properly visible, and even though I don't look really handsome, but please, this is the face you are going to see for the round 1. Okay, I can't control my looks now. Aditya Arora is here. Welcome, Aditya. Looking forward. We have Ronak Khan, very unique name. And Vyapari number 1, as I said, we still have 4 rounds to decide that. So kindly join with your own name. I'm sure you must be having a lovely name given to you by your parents. Okay, Miss Jasmine has joined us. Miss or Mrs. I don't know.
Excuse me, please code. Tell me code.
Yes, the code is 579459. I repeat, 5, 7, 9, 4, 5, 9. Okay, Vedant Rawat is here. Okay, I guess there are 85 participants. Most of you are here. 77 have joined. Akshat is here. Welcome, Akshat. Devanshi Jan. Aditya. Anmol is here with us. Welcome, Anmol.
Request all the participants to join on time as at 3:25 we'll be beginning with the game.
And
Fuck up,
participants,
Darwin.
let me tell you, this round 1, it is going to be the damn best experience of your life. This is my promise to you all. I am a man of my words. You can think of me like Salman Khan. एक बार commitment कर दी ना, खुद की नहीं सुनते. It is my promise. The round 1 will be the best experience for your life. And Moonlight, Mudit, yes, Mudit, Moonlight was a really good movie. It won the Oscar. I haven't seen it, but I plan to see it. But I would really appreciate if you just join with Mudit. 80 participants. So, what's the time? Okay, we got 2 more minutes. Let's just wait for 2 minutes. 2 more minutes. After that, we will start. Yes, Vedant, Race 3 won the Oscar. Yes. Vedant, no jokes on Race 3. Race 3 is my all-time favorite. It is the best action movie. Even Mission Impossible is a joke in front of Race 3. I'm really emotional for Race 3. Please don't make me cry. No jokes on Race 3, please. Don't do this to me. 81 participants. So I guess everyone has joined. So shall we start? Because
Guys, you have another minute. You have another minute to join at 3:25 sharp. We'll be beginning with the round 1. So
okay. 3:25 is it then? Sorry, I forgot. It was my commitment 3:25. So 3:25. Just 1 more minute to go. Till the time, everyone just buckle up, because it is going to be the best roller coaster ride you will ever witness in your life. 82 Moon, that's actually very creative. I don't know how it will go with everyone else, but I like it.
I guess it's 3:25. We can start with the round.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's play round 1 of Kaun Banega Vyapari, brought to you by ECEL Impresario. IT team, please make sure that it goes by the instructor pace, not the random. Everyone, please, everyone.
Shrishti Mary on the second position. Come on, guys, back up. And Khushi Arora, Amishi Singh rising.
Ishita Gupta is still on top. Okay,
Varsha Rampani on top. Ishika Gupta on second. It's great going. Everyone, great going. Let's see. Shrishti Mehre on top. Shrishti. Good going, Shrishti. Okay, we have Ishita Gupta now. All 3 top positions held by women. Okay, no, Rishabh Jain has broken in now.
This competition is going to take a really different note at the end.
What is that word that you use for excitement, like adrenaline? What is that? Adrenaline rush, I guess. I don't know how to say it, but that's what I am witnessing right now, everyone.
I'm really curious to know who is going to top this round.
Some people are going with the streaks. This is going to be mind-blowing. Mehak, Suneja, Faith. Danica, I remember my team telling me to make the quiz little challenging. But I'm surprised to see that everyone is able to crack it so easily. I promise to make it more challenging. Even though it was really, really challenging for me, if you ask me. We have Akash Garg at third. Ishita Gupta with a streak of 7. Ishita, very well going. Very well going, Ishita. 8 now. Ishita, my hopes are with you. To all my organizing team, I bet Ishita is going to make it to the second round. We have Devansh Maheshwari. Vanshika Chaturvedi. Oh, she sits down, and Sumanta Mandal now racing ahead with a streak of 6. Very well going, well going participants. Very well going. Akash Garg on 3rd position. Akash Garg on 2nd position. Well going, Akash. Very well going. This is just marvelous. Avishwasniya. Adbhut. And I want to praise you all a lot more, but
On
this is
top,
my
well, and it's a streak of 13 now. Ashita, you're really nailing this.
it's Donika Pereira on 4th. On 2nd with a streak of 4. Very well going. Sahil Gupta on 3rd, and looks like Sahil has just broken his streak. No worries, Sahil. There are plenty more questions to go. Ishita Gupta. Oh, Ishita Gupta. I would like to meet this girl. This girl seems to be really, really smart. Streak of 15. It looks like she is really, really damn prepared for this thing.
I'm really curious to see who will break Ishita's record now.
Can we have anyone beat Ishita? I don't think so. Streak of 15 is no joke. Sumanta Mandal on top. Oh no, she's on 3rd now. Amish is saying on 2nd now. Top 3 positions being held by all girls. So that's the really women empowerment. That's the women of modern India. Still, we have top 4 positions held by girls. And now Devansh breaks into top 3. Good going Devansh with a streak of 5. Akshat with a streak of 7. Jayantika races to the 2nd position. Nitika Virami, she slipped down. Moon Mulet, yeah, the guy with the creative name, on 5th now. Nobody's participants. Please make sure that you don't stress about it. In case you think that it is getting too much for it, don't just take a pause for a few seconds. Take a deep breath.
No one's able to break
And
Ishita's
let's
record.
go.
Come on, back up.
Just make sure you are refreshed throughout this round. Akshat on 2nd with a streak of 10. Good going, Akshat. Let's see if you can break Ishita's record. And Akshat slips down to the 3rd. Okay, I guess there will be power-ups provided to you through the round, so make sure to use them wisely. Ladies and gentlemen. Parth on 4th position now.
Come on, guys.
He is damn serious of winning this. Dhari on 5th with a streak of 4.
And we can see
Gautam.
Gautam on 6th position.
Vanshika Abroy on 7th. Moon Malik slips to the top 3. Well going. This is really. I wish I could. I should have prepared popcorn for this, man. I wish I could have popcorn right now. This is really, really fun. Yeah, still the top 3 participants. I am speechless for you all. Literally, Ishita Gupta still. Okay, let's go down there. That's a smart choice. Let's see what others are up to. Sahil Gupta with streak of 1. Anmol with a streak of 4. Okay.
Also,
Khushi
guys,
Arora. Khushi Arora makes a
all the
big
participants
jump.
to complete the game
Khushi,
short.
good going, Khushi.
At 3:35, we'll be closing this round. So I request all the participants to complete it very fast. Thank you, everyone. All the very best.
There's no worries. Aryan Khan on 22nd. People, please make sure only the top 50% will make it to the 2nd round. So the top 5 again, it's an extremely close competition. You know about my organizing team, even though I have made this quiz, and even if I participate myself, I'm sure I cannot solve it with this pace. Even though I have made this quiz, even I cannot do it with so much perfection. So looks like we have got some really talented people with us. And Anish makes a big jump to the 32nd position. No worries, Anish, you're still on the qualifying range. Gunjan Tiwari on 36 now. Buckle up now.
All the
3 more
participants.
minutes to go.
Back up.
3 more minutes, ladies and gentlemen. They're going. Shivam Kumar 54. No worries, Shivam, you still got 3 more minutes to turn this around. Don't lose hope.
I can see Vrinda Bhatia has completed her round with
For all those feeling lost, just remember the India-Bangladesh match of 2020 World Cup, where Bangladesh required 2 runs of 3 balls. The entire country of 130 crore had given hope. But that's not the case, because our Indian cricket team never gives up. So be like that, ladies and gentlemen. Or think of the movie Kesari, where the 21 sets, they had that Afghan army of thousands for more than a day. So, ढूंढने से भगवान भी मिलते हैं. So, what's the big deal with this quiz? Okay, so again, 2 more minutes to go.
Come on, all the participants.
Come on, come on. This is really fun. Top 10. Advait Kumar Rana in top 10. I don't see any major jumps now. Seems like these top 50% will be going to the next round with us.
And also, guys, this is just the first round. It was quite easy, but don't worry, don't lose hopes. We have 3 more interesting rounds coming forward.
If you felt that round 1 was easy, don't worry, because the difficulty round will keep on increasing. We have got round 2, hosted by my another best friend, Bittus. He will be with you within a few minutes. We have the very beautiful round 3. And then for round 4, we have, as always, my best friend, Mudit. So don't worry, and 1 more minute. So now I would ask you all to please hurry up, because the quiz will be closing in just 1 more minute. So please make your decisions really, really fast.
We still have Ishita Gupta on top with
Ishita Gupta.
with a streak of
Massive salute.
50. That's really nice. And second, we have Devansh Maheshwari with a streak of 10. And third, we have Mohan Mudit, who is with a streak of 8. That's great going, participants. We really hope to see you in the second round. This is a fight going on.
Only few seconds more to go. So please buckle up. Try to wrap it.
And guys,
Quiz maybe. And it's
We are
3:35.
doing
it's already time. And I
So
request
it's time.
Time is
Everyone. May I request my dear ID team to please stop the quiz and let's see the top 3. If we may, okay. The results, they might take some time. So for that, ladies and gentlemen, we have one really, really interesting video for you all. And
Before the video,
I have taken
before the video, Vaibhav, I would request all the participants in next round, please log in from your own name. Do not log in from different names, because otherwise it will be difficult for us to issue certificates to you with that name. So if you want the same name on your certificates, that is a different case. Please, it's a humble request. Please log in from your own name.
on any anonymous or disrespectful name will not be included. You won't be evaluated. You won't be getting any score.
Yeah, even if you score the first or second position, you won't be evaluated because of your wrong name. Anyways, before we display the results, here is a short an interesting video I'm playing before you.
I wonder what would happen if the Earth lost gravity for like 5 seconds.
I don't know. I'll back rub it. Yeah, I'm gonna back rub that.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was the video from our side. I hope you all found it very interesting, because I took full 40 minutes to find the appropriate video for you all, which everyone would love. So I hope the 40 minutes were worth it. So since the results may take few more minutes, so Bittus, if I may ask you.
Firstly, I want to say that I'm really disappointed because you consider Mudit as your best friend and not me. I thought I was your best friend.
No, Bittus, I think you missed it. I said my ex-best friend Mudit.
No, you said your first best friend. You consider me as your second best friend. I think I'm really disappointed now.
Let's sort out personal issues after the event.
Yes, we'll definitely be discussing this after the event. Until we disclose the results, I just wanted to thank you, Weber, for the wonderful round. It was a really interesting round. I really liked it, you know.
Mudit, I'm still there for 2 more minutes still. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say one thing to you all, honestly, like, seriously, this is not scripted, mark my words, this is not scripted. But this round 1, it was the goddamn best experience of this semester for me. Okay, I swear, this is the most happening event I have conducted so far, with so much energy you all have brought to this event. I'm truly speechless. I don't know what I should say.
I must really say, Vaibhav, the energy we are having is because the energy our participants are having.
Definitely.
Enthusiasm they are having, it's all.
I was really excited for this event, but
And by the time we evaluate, let's talk to our very first participant, like Ishita Gupta. Ishita, would you like to come on, turn on your mic and say a few words as you were completely on the top of this round?
yes, even I would like to then see Ishita. Ishita, a streak of 15. That's mind blowing. So, participants, till the results are ready, let's interact a little. Like, where are you all from? Like, maybe you can give a short intro about yourself. Like,
You
from
can
which college you have
definitely
joined.
write chat box. We definitely want to know where you guys are from, where you participants are from.
If you
I
can
know
interact
definitely
with us
like to
one-on-one through this Zoom platform, it would be great. Or you can type in the
Okay,
chat box
people are
as
from
well.
Kota, Dehradun, Delhi,
I can see Delhi, Agra,
Agra.
the city of Taj Mahal. I'm visiting that city next month. Hoping to Patna. We have people from Patna, Delhi, Kurukshetra, Mumbai. Mumbai, the city that never sleeps. New Jersey.
Aligarh. Okay, people are from Aligarh as well. That's great.
You see New Jersey.
Faridabad.
We have people from United States. Okay, so we have
So
people from Bahrain.
people
Okay,
from-
this is going.
People from different states, people from different colleges have different experiences as well, and they have different minds. And everybody is trying to prove that their college is the best here.
Exactly. We are having a tough competition.
Participants
But
along with the cities, please write the college names as well. I would love to see from what all colleges are we having our participants
okay,
from.
there are some people from
Okay,
Shillong
seems
as
like the
well.
results are coming. The wait is over. The screen is loading away. Nice way to create suspense.
I must really say, it's the beauty of these events, like people from all over the country.
There are the results, ladies and gentlemen. The results. At first, we have Ishita Gupta. A big round of applause for Ishita Gupta, ladies and gentlemen. A streak of 15. Mind blowing. For second, we have Devansh Maheshwari. Very well played, Devansh. And for third, we have the person with the creative name, Moon Mudit. That's really great, creative name, Mudit. But from second round, please use your original name because we cannot type Moon Mudit on the certificates. I don't think our team would allow it. So no worries. At fifth, we have Aryan Khan. Very well played. For sixth, Dhairya. For seventh, we have Gautam. Eighth, Akshat. Ninth, Vanshika. 10th, Parth. These are the top 10 participants. So a big round of applause. Top 10. But as I said earlier, the top 50 will be going to the next round. So my dear IT team, if we can just scroll down and stop at the exact moment where all the top people are qualifying.
The result is
50%.
also being
Can we do
sent
that?
and shared on the WhatsApp group of the participants. So people who have qualified for the next round can go check the WhatsApp group. If your name is visible in the list, then you are shifted to the second round as well. And congratulations to all the participants.
Ladies and gentlemen, please check the WhatsApp group as well to see if your name is there, to see if you have made it to the second round, which will be more interesting. And
And as
ladies and gentlemen,
participants, as the round increase, as we move on to the next round, each and every round will get more and more interesting. And I hope
also participants, I have to say with this view, I have to tell this you with very heavy heart. All good things, they have to come to an end. And that's true for a great host like me But don't you go anywhere because we still have got 3 more rounds and we still haven't got our number 1 Vyapari yet. Or as I should say in the Bollywood style, quiz abhi baki hai mere dost. So ladies and gentlemen, with the biggest possible round of applause, let's all of us welcome my new best friend, Mr. Bittu. Bittu. Over
Good
to you, Bittu.
afternoon, good evening, participants. Thank you, Vaibhav. It was a really interesting round. I really enjoyed it. I really like how companies are creative and innovative when it comes to creating logos, designing logos. And you know, every logo has a story or a meaning behind it. So, till then, let's begin. We'll definitely be discussing more about logos in our upcoming rounds. But till then, we should move on with the next round, which is the second round. Yes, till then, let's begin our next round, which is the second round. This segment is related to taglines. So are you ready? Because I am. What is a tagline? Tagline is a short, memorable description that clearly communicates the brand message. This short description acts as a catchphrase of any brand and the brand personality, which in turn helps in setting the positioning of the brand in the market. It is also interesting to see how companies, they get really creative when they are creating taglines, as taglines are being made by different companies. And today it's time for you to test yourself, your knowledge, how much you know about taglines. So without any further ado, let's begin with our next round. I'll be your host and host, Bituz Muhammad. Let's go. Harshit, we can share the screen and begin our next round. For all the participants who have cleared the first round, congratulations to them. And I request you, only those participants who have cleared the first round, to join the second round with the code given in the screen.
I can already see 14, 16 will have joined. Guys,
Pratik Mehra, Khushi Arora, Vanshika, Shrishti, Amishi, Neha. It's great to see you all. Great to have you on board. To all the participants who could not clear the first round, you can still stay here and watch the other participants play the game, because in the final round, we're really going to have something more interesting than this. So make sure you enjoy the whole event. Thank you, guys.
And Moon Modit. Yes, I have already told this several times. That is a creative name, but we cannot use it for the certificate. So kindly please join using just Mudit. Participants to join this round 2, the rules are same. Simply visit this website, joinmyquiz.com, and enter the code 022660.
Come on, all the participants, join on time. And another
participants, if you could not clear the first round and you're still joining the second round, we have your names, so you won't be marked. And only the participant who cleared the first round will be marked in the second round.
Okay, we are
going to start.
I have one query I want to ask. Can I join second round?
Depends whether you
Have you qualified for the second round? Were you there in the list that is being sent on the group?
No, my name is there. So what I can do? Can we leave?
You have qualified. Your name is there in the list. You can join.
No, there. My name is Akshat. No, there.
It's on the 8th position.
Akshat, right?
Akshat Srivastava, right?
Yeah.
Your name is there. Your name is there.
Your name is in the 8th position. You can.
I would request all the participants to please check the list carefully so that you know you are qualified for the next round. And people who have not qualified for the next round, I would request, please do not join this quiz because that will create a confusion.
Yes.
Okay, we have 56 participants.
Okay, Harshit, I think we can start with the second round. I hope everyone has joined. Let's start. In this round, we'll also be having the question displayed on the screen. So here we go. The first question is in front of your screen. It's identify the tagline of the following brand with the help of the clue given. There's a clue, there's a tagline, Shave Club. So you have to identify which tagline is correct. Yes, people are answering. Okay, you guys are faster than my internet. That's cool.
I really like the speed by the time people are answering.
Time's up, participants. Those who could not answer, never mind. We have more questions coming up. And we can see Nidik Gopalani in the first. Yes, and the correct answer is the third option. 14 of you have selected the correct answer. Congratulations. Let's move on to the next question. And the next question is in front of your screen. There we go. And the next question is, there's a tagline, which is dash for life. You have to choose the correct option. It's a fill in the blanks. So let's see who guesses the answer correctly. And we have, okay, 35, 37, more than 40 people have answered. Hurry up, participants, because this is a time limit based question. And time is up. So let's have a look at the answer, which is the correct answer. And the correct answer is, okay, let's have a look at the leaderboard. Okay, Ishita Gupta is leading in the first position, Sahil Arora in the second position. The correct answer is caring for life. Great, let's move on to the next question. And identify the brand with the help of the tagline below. All the news that fits to print. It's a tagline of a newspaper company. It's a news channel. So let's see who guesses the answer correctly. Okay, participants are answering. Hurry up.
I must really say I love the enthusiasm by which
I really love that enthusiasm. People are answering really fast, you know. Great, great, great. Okay, time is up. And here we have a look at, let's have a look at the leaderboard. Who is leading? Sahil Arora is leading the first position, Mudit in the second position. Let's have a look at the answer. The second option is correct. It's the New York Times. Well done, guys. Well done, participants. Let's move on to the next question. And the next question is in front of your screen. There we go. The question, complete Bhavnagar wale seat ka dash. Okay, let's see who guesses the answer correct. It's a tagline. Okay, people are answering. Yes, yes.
Pittus, man, I really appreciate the creativity you have put into the questions.
I know, right? It was really difficult to find such interesting questions, but
that's why you are my best friend.
The participants are they're really enthusiastic. They have so much enthusiasm. They've answered so correctly. They're answering so correctly, and in such a less amount of time. Let's have a look at the answer. The second option is the correct answer. It's Kayam Churna, and 25 of you have answered it correctly. Let's move on to the next question. And the next question is in front of your screen in 3, 2, 1. Identify the tagline of the following brand. I hope you have identified the brand by looking at the logo, but let's see who knows the tagline of the brand. Good going, participants. People are answering really fast. I must appreciate you guys. Almost everyone have answered and the time is up. Let's have a look at the leaderboard first and then we can move on to the answer. Let's see who is leading. And Gunjan Pratik Mehta is leading with 3,240 points. Congratulations. And the correct answer is nuts, guts, and glory. 16 of you have answered correctly. Never mind to all the others. You have more questions to come. Let's move on to the next question. And there we go. The next question is in front of your screen. Identify the brand name with the help of the following tagline. Again, the king of good times. Okay, people are answering really fast. Yes, is it Budweiser? Is it Corona? Is it Kingfisher? Or is it Foster's? Let's see. What's the correct answer? Most of you have already answered. And okay, 6 of you are left. 4. The time, hurry up, participants. The time is up. Let's have a look at the leaderboard. Okay, Pratik Mehta still on top with 4,180 points. Most of you have guessed the answer correctly. Yes, it's the third option, Kingfisher, with 52. 52 of you have guessed the answer correctly. Congratulations, participants. Let's move on to the next question. And next question in front of your screen. There we go. Identify the tagline for Redbus. Okay, the previous question was easy. This is a little tricky, but I know you participants are well prepared. And there we go. People are answering really fast. We have more than around 50 participants have answered. Yes, more than 50. And we have 56. Time is up. Let's have a look at the leaderboard and then we can move on to the answer. Gunjan Tiwari is on top with 5,040 points. Then Aryan Khan. Okay, let's have a look at the answer. The correct answer is the second option. Well done, those who have answered it correctly. Let's move on to the next question.
But Bitus, don't you think that these people are trying to answer right questions as well, but they're not reading the questions rightly, right?
Yes.
Please read the questions carefully. It's
read the questions carefully.
Question for you.
Yes.
Speed is important, but more than speed, what matters is your accuracy.
Yes, accuracy is what matters here.
And it was
I can see a lot of people are actually trying to answer as quick as possible, but I would request if all the participants can actually read the questions carefully before selecting the answers.
And the time is up. Let's have a look at the leaderboard. Participants are requested to read the answer carefully and then answer.
But I can surely say, because people are actually nailing the answers as well.
They are. Okay, in this question, only 5 of them got the correct answer.
Oh my God.
Ishita Gupta is again on the top participants.
I hope so. Let's move on.
Winner of round 1 is nailing the round 2 as well. Ishita, yes, I'm proud of you.
Definitely. Let's move on.
Eyes on your laptop screens. Here's the question.
Here's the question. Identify the tagline of the following brand. There's a logo of the tagline given. You have to identify what is the tagline of this brand. This is a little tricky one. I know, Vaibhav.
Tricky one? Dude, are you kidding me? The answer is right there in the logo itself.
But yes, if the question is tricky, I'm sure our participants are much more smarter than that. Isn't that, Vaibhav? We all know how smart the people are who are here right now.
1 second, meaning time's up. Let's look at the stats.
Let's see the results. What happens now? It's getting very tricky and very interesting.
Ishita Gupta again nailing it.
Still on top with 6,610 points. Good going, Ishita Gupta. But only 12 of the participants got the answer correct. 32 of them got the answer wrong.
Ishita is leading with a big margin.
Actually, the point is 12 people read the question carefully and others did.
Exactly.
Others wanted
Exactly.
to answer quickly rather than
I
reading the
think-
question.
I think the third option was the longest one. It's a solar lagao, apni bijli swayam banao. But
People,
anyways,
as I have
guys,
said, take a deep breath, relax, and then answer.
let's move on to the
Calm
next
mind.
question. Let's move on to the next question.
Three,
And
two,
the
one,
last
and we have the
question is
next
in front of your screen. And the question is, a friend you can dash upon.
And I guess everybody wants friends in their life. So I guess you will know the tagline now.
Yes.
And also, I guess every participant here, like we have 61 participants playing with us right now, everyone will be having their own different answer for this question.
You know what? This question reminds me of my favorite Netflix series, Friends. And what a series that was.
But you betrayed me, Vaibhav. Never mind.
Don't do this to me.
Life is full
Time's
of
up. Let's have a look at the leaderboard. And Ishita Gupta still on top. Good going, Ishita Gupta. 25 of you guessed the answer correctly. Yes, it's the third option, which is bank, a friend you can bank upon. Let's move on. I guess, yes, that was the end of round 2. Thank you, participants, for participating. Thank you, participants, for being with us on board. I really enjoyed playing with you. I hope you did enjoy playing with us as well. And shortly, we are going to declare the results. Till that time, there's a short and interesting story video that I am.
For third, we have Divansh. For second, Gunjan Tiwari. First,
Yes.
Ishita Gupta.
First,
Same.
The
Well
first
played, everyone.
position, Ishita Gupta.
Ishita Gupta again nails the round. So here's the leadership board.
We have so many people. Anyways, before we declare the results, there is a short, interesting story video I'm presenting in front of you. I request you guys to have a look.
And Bittus, we need to talk. So kindly WhatsApp me.
Yeah, I'll definitely do. Thank you, participants, for waiting. We'll soon be declaring the results now. Till then, Vaibhav, how are you?
Mudit, currently I'm in the best mood possible.
I'm not Mudit, I'm Betus. I think.
Oh my God.
But never mind, we are soon going to declare the results. Till then, just give me 1 minute.
By the time, guys, don't you think this event is taking a very different note now? It's really exciting to see so many students coming from so many different states, so many different locations, and we're bonding over a virtual event. We're sharing our knowledges from different sectors, and it's really exciting to see.
I really want to know if participants are enjoying or not. If you can write in the chat box if you are enjoying, then it will be a great for us.
People, all those who are having fun, can you raise your hands once? Let's see how excited you all are.
And write yes in the chat
You can
box.
write yes in the chat, or you can raise your hand.
Tiwari, yes,
Choice is yours.
Ishita Gupta.
Okay, I can see so many hands raised. Okay, this is really satisfying to see.
Okay, so I guess the Intizar ki ghadi has come to an end now.
Yes, you're right. Because the results
are ready with the results.
Of course.
So here is the result of round 2. Zishan, let's look at the results. Okay, Ishita Gupta still on top. Gunjan Tiwari, Devansh Maheshwari, the top 3 participants. Congratulations. We have Ansh, we have Ayush, Prateek, Ridyanshi, Vanshika, Shrishti Mehre, Aryan Khan, Siri Agarwal, Dhairya, Anmol, Chirag, Ritik Jalan, Nikita Viramni, Anees Goyal. Okay. Congratulations to everyone who could make it to the 3rd round. Do we have any more?
Also, the participants who have been qualified for round 3, your names have been shared on the WhatsApp group as well.
Yes, please have a look at the list, and you participants, you are requested to join round 3. Now for the round 3, I would like to invite my friend Yuganshi to take over. Yuganshi, over to you.
Thank you, Betus. So, hello everyone, eyes on the screen and focus on my speech. Congratulations to those who made it here, and for those who didn't. Remember that sometimes we are tested not to show our weakness, but to discover our strengths. So with hope and positivity, I, Yuganshi Singhal, would brief you about round 3 of Kaun Banega Vyapari. Here you will be given facts and stories related to the logos and names of the companies that we are well versed with. But, attention please, you will not be blessed with the options in this round. So I'll be suggesting you to first carefully observe the questions, and then of course, secondly, keep your confidence and josh high, because diamond is merely a lump of coal that worked well under pressure. With this note, I request our IT team to please share the screen for the round 3. Till then, participants, you need to listen this. Whatever you do, give your 100%. But until and unless you are donating blood. So please don't give your 100% in that. So here we have on a screen the link joinmyquiz.com, and then enter the code 803306. This link to join the quiz is also shared in the WhatsApp group. So I request our participants to join the quiz as soon as possible. So here I can see 21 participants have joined, 22, 24, the participants are rising. It's great to see you all here, and I wish you all the best, because this round is not going to be easy because you don't have options here. You have to fill in the blanks in these questions. So we have 32 participants. if the participants all have joined, so I think we would be starting the quiz shortly. So are we done? Do we have only 32 participants? Okay, so you'll have first question on your screen. The founder wanted a name for his company that began with A so that it would appear early in alphabetical order. The company logo also hints that the store has everything.
Participants, you are having
Participants, let
two
me...
hints. Yes, you can carry on, but I just wanted to mention that participants, you have two hints. One is a picture hint and other one is a text hint. Identify the brand and then carefully answer.
Thank you, Bitters. I was just going to say the same thing. So participants, hurry up. We are left with only 5 seconds. So here we are.
Can I leave the meeting?
Akshat, we'll appreciate if you don't leave and be with us till the end to enjoy the quiz. But if you have some important work, then I won't say anything. So you can leave. So here we have our answer. Amazon is the correct answer. And most of you have answered it correctly. So the arrow in the Amazon logo also moves from A to Z, where you can see that the store has A to Z, everything. So moving to the second question now. Second question on your screen now. The name of the company was taken from the name of its owner, Adolf Dassler. You have been given a picture by the side of the owner as well. So I hope you will be able to crack this question. We are getting responses. But participants, I would like to request you that don't hurry up and answer. Be careful and answer correctly, because haste may sometimes result in the negative consequences. So 10 more seconds, and I hope everybody is answering correctly. So here we are, 3, 2, 1, and time's up.
Yuganshi, sorry to interrupt, but Vanshika Chaturvedi has some questions in the chat box.
Yes, you have to answer. You have to name the company, not the founder.
Yeah, because founder name was already given, Adolf Dassler. So you would have to name the company, and the company name is Adidas, because Adolf Dassler's nickname was Addy. So Addy and then Das from Dassler. So it was made Adidas. So most of you has answered correctly. Moving on to the next question. Third question coming on your screen right away. 3, 2, 1, and the question is on your screen. The name of the company was initially derived from the family name of its founder. It represents mutually beneficial relationship of customer and the company. So basically the logo of this company represents the mutually beneficial relationship of customer and company. And the name of the company is based on the family name of its founder. I can see 2 of you have answered, and
This is a pretty tricky question, actually. But yes.
I can see that participants are taking time to answer this, but the number is increasing. So I guess everybody is
Last
waiting
5
to know what's the
seconds.
answer. 3, 2, 1, and time's up, participants. Here we'll see the answer of the question. First, we are having on our top Ishita Gupta again, then followed by Siddhi Agrawal. I could see that the question was quite tricky. We got only 3 correct answers. So Toyoda was the family name of the founder, and then it shifted to Toyota, and the company logo obviously represents the 2 ovals, which is one heart of the company, and the second one is the heart of the customer. So moving on to the next question, please. And the next question coming on your screen right away. First 2 alphabets of the logo represents analog waves, and the last 2 alphabets represents binary digits. So you have to name the company whose logo represents such things.
Also, there's a picture hint given. Identify. Read the question carefully. Have a look at the hint and then carefully answer.
So this might be also a tricky question for the participants because we are getting less answers. But that's okay, participants. Keep your Josh high and answer correctly.
I told you, Ganshi, as we move further with the rounds, the questions are going to be trickier. And here we are.
So the time's up for the question. Let's see and have a look on the leaderboard. Who is leading now? So Ishita Gupta is still leading, followed by Nidhi Goplani. And the answer for this question is VIO. VIO is, let me tell you how this represents the given question. So VA of letters of VIO represents the analog wave, whereas I and O represents 1 and 0 that are binary digits. So moving on to the next question. And it is on your screen. Calm down, focus, and then give the answers. Question is, the logo of the company inscribes in itself the variety it provides, that is unique every day a month. You have a picture also by the side, so please observe that. And
I think by the picture, it's pretty clear about the name of the brand. But let's see who guesses the answer correctly.
But let me tell you, Bitters, that this was my first time that I observed this thing in the logo when I was making the question. So maybe like we are giving participants some knowledge if they may be wrong, but
Yes.
at least they are gathering information from here.
Yes, that's what matters, Yuganshi. Winning, not always. It's not just about winning, it's about learning and it's all about experiences.
Exactly. So the time's up for the question. Let's see the leaderboard, and we have Ansh on the first position, followed by Siddhi, and the answer was Baskin Robbins. So I personally like Baskin Robbins very much, but that's different. It's personal choice. So let's move to the next question now. And the next question on your screen now. Question is, the company started as a wood pulp mill and later it expanded into producing rubber products. And then finally it shifted to producing electronic goods. So participants, I suggest that please carefully read the question, carefully observe the hints, and then give the answers.
I thought this was the easiest question. By looking at the picture, everyone must be able to guess the correct answer. But let's see.
Yes, we are getting replies very fast. Only
We know our participants are pretty clever. They are pretty smart. So
yeah.
Guys, if you are following memes also, then also the picture is very clear.
It is
There's the
absolutely.
brand.
So the time's up. The leaderboard, what does it tell? Ansh still on first position and then followed by Siddhi. So the answer was Nokia, and most of you have given answer correctly. I guess the hint was very helpful for them. So let's move to the next question. Please calm down and give the answers correctly. So the question is, the name of the brand is derived from dash leaves and dash nuts, which is used as flavoring. So we are getting responses very quickly. And participants, let me tell you that cupcakes are muffins that believed in miracles. So if you are getting wrong answers, that's absolutely fine. I hope at least you are carrying knowledge with you with this quiz. And you will not be demotivated by 1 or 2 wrong answers. So I hope you'll be keeping your morale high. We are not left with much time, 15 seconds more, and then we'll be able to see what's the answer to this question. Few more participants are left, and I guess many of them have answered, so the time is going to time's up. And let's see the leaderboard. Who is leading? Do we still have the same names? First is same Ansh, followed by Ishita Gupta, and the answer is Coca-Cola. So we have coca leaves and cola nuts used as flavoring in Coca-Cola drink. So let's move to the next question, please. Next question coming on your screen right away. Question is, the logo of this company has won many design awards for cleverly using negative spaces in describing its services and qualities.
After two easy questions, this is the trickiest question.
question.
I feel, because even when we were designing the questions, we felt it really felt very tricky. Let's see. Our participants are smart. Our participants are smart.
They have the answers.
Yes, they have researched a lot, probably. Let's see.
They have come well
8,
prepared.
7, 5 more seconds, participants.
4, 3, 2, and 1, and time's up.
Let's
so let's
see.
see who gave the right answer and won the leaderboard. So we have Ishita Gupta again on the top,
Ishita Gupta
followed
on
by
top.
Ansh.
8
The
of
answer
them
is
guessed
FedEx.
correctly.
Only 8
actually.
correct answers. Many of them were not able to give the answers. I have seen that, but
Yes.
that's okay, participants. Don't lose hope, and let's move forward to the next question. So here we are with our next question, and hope you will be able to give the answer to this.
This is one of my favorite brand, Yuvanshi.
The brand Dash is known to be the Greek goddess of victory. The logo is derived from her wings swoosh. So this swoosh makes the question easier.
Pretty easy, actually.
But let's see, our participants have really come well prepared, because if I were in their place, I don't think I would be able to answer this fast.
Okay,
So
15,
here we
less
are,
than
left
15
with 10
seconds.
seconds. And many of them have answered. Let's see. Participants, please hurry up. The time is not left. Okay. So let's look at the leaderboard and see what's changed. Ansh is on top again. So Ansh and Ishita are having a quite tough fight.
Most of them have answered
Nike.
correctly.
Exactly.
Actually.
So I guess it was an easy question, but
It
let's see.
was.
Let's
Let's see.
move to the next and the last question of this quiz, round 3. And the next question coming on your screen, 3, 2, 1, go. This company's history tracks back to World War II, when it used to create aircraft engines for German military.
Again, my favorite question, one of my favorite
This
questions.
must be a tricky question. We have got just one answer, but participants, just take a deep breath and read the question carefully, observe the hint, and then give the answer. You are left with ample of time. You have left with 30 seconds.
Observe the hint carefully, because the picture has everything.
Picture always have everything. Picture speaks more than words.
True.
Please observe it and then answer. 15 more seconds. Participants, I request you to please hurry up so that you will not be left without answering, and the time doesn't get over without your answer. So the time's up now. I guess most of you have answered, and so sorry for those who haven't.
Here we can see the
there's
top 5
big
participants already, and 13 of them have answered correctly. The correct answer is
BMW was the
BMW.
answer.
Yes.
And I can see many of you have answered correctly.
If you look at the picture, then it's clearly the propeller shows it all, actually. Anyways, let's move.
Let's move forward. The questions have ended here, and I hope you enjoyed the quiz. For those who were not able to answer, please don't lose your hope and take the many loads of knowledge with you. till then, let me ask Vaibhav. Vaibhav, do you find anything interesting with these logos? Have you ever observed them carefully?
Yuganshi, are you kidding me right now? There were so many brands in that round. I'm sure there must be some interesting stories behind them.
Of course,
right?
there must be.
I'm always right.
Of course you are, Vaibhav.
Suganshi, if I may, with everybody's permission, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to share one such interesting fact about the Toyota logo. But
Yes,
before that,
yes,
let me test the knowledge of my new best friend, Yuganshi.
Of course,
Yuganshi,
Vaibhav.
tell me, have you ever observed the Toyota logo carefully? Be honest.
I have observed, while making these questions, I have observed many logos carefully. So I have observed that Toyota logo has 3 ovals and they define the heart of the customer and the heart of the company and their mutual relationship.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, seems like my new best friend is really smart over here.
Thank
Of
you.
course, she's my best friend. Yuganshi, there's something you're missing. You are in the right direction. You're going in the right direction, no doubt. There's something more. In fact, even if some participant wants to point it out, you are most welcome.
Yes,
Yuganshi.
participants, being a creative mind, I can see this much only. But if you have something, please either type in the chat box or you can unmute yourself as well. Then we'll keep on the questions going if you give us the response. So expecting a good response. Participants, anyone?
In
Has
fact, you already
ever observed the Toyota logo carefully? Because I guess Vaibhav has something in his mind that I have not observed.
I think something really interesting,
So
Vaibhav.
I've got one reply that no idea. Okay, Hridyanshi Singhal. That's
Anyways,
fine.
Vaibhav, I think we can move ahead. You can share the fact with us.
So, ladies and gentlemen, as Yuganshi very correctly pointed out, there are actually 2 circles. There's one circle. Inside that circle, there is one vertical circle. And then there's one horizontal line, right? I have tried drawing it. Okay, forget it. My drawing is really bad. My drawing is really bad. Forget it, please. Now, if you observe the logo carefully, you can actually find a T inside that logo, followed by O, followed by a Y, followed by another O, followed by a T, and then a. So basically, you can point out every letter inside that Toyota logo. And I hope I have spelled it correctly. Oh, yes, I have.
This
Ladies and
is
gentlemen, that's the
incredible.
Toyota logo for you.
This is incredible, Vaibhav. I didn't expect so much things indulged in one single logo.
You are lucky to
But
be my best friend.
you have brightened my mind with this.
Always. But Yuganshi, now let me tease you a little. So why don't you share something interesting with us now?
Wait, so let me ask you some questions then. We'll also ask the audience with these questions.
Of
So
course.
have you heard of the company which is named as Blue Ribbon Sports Company?
I have not. I have not.
Never. This is the first time.
Anyone from the audience?
Never.
Blue
Okay,
ribbon.
let me
I
tell
do have
you
one blue bottle
because-
with me right now.
No, it's Blue Ribbon Sports Company, and this company is the company we got the question from. So this company is Nike.
Nike.
Yes,
Nike.
Nike.
That company with that tick mark, that black tick mark, or it
It's
sometimes
not
tends to
actually
white.
a tick mark.
Then what is it?
It's a wing of Greek goddess of victory. Swoosh, just like the question said earlier. Vaibhav, I can see you were not paying attention to my questions. That's very bad. I didn't expect this from you.
No. Are you serious? I don't. That simple tick mark you were saying it is related to some Greek gods?
Yes, it is.
My whole life was a lie.
Okay, everyone, we are ready with the results.
Yes.
Bhavya will be sharing the screen and she'll be disclosing the results as well.
And we have the top 5 participants, Yuganshi.
So participants, hold on to your breath as we present before you the top 5 contestants who made it to round 4. First, we have Dhruti, then Drishti. Second, we have Ishita Gupta. On third place, we have Ansh. And then fourth, we have Nidhi Goplani. And on fifth, we have Devansh Maheshwari. So congratulations, winners. And I hope you will give your best in round 4.
Congratulations.
So here I hand over to Mudit Agrawal for round 4. Thank you so much.
So congratulations to all the winners, all top 5 winners. So guys, the event is not ended yet. This round, fourth round, is the final round of this event, and it's not going to be a quiz based. Each participant will be getting a unique situation each, for which they'll get a minute to think of their answer, and they'll be evaluated on the basis of their answers. Also, I would like to welcome and introduce to you our jury members, Dr. Nidhi Gupta and Dr. Deshi Sapra, who will be judging this round. And also, let me know, I'll like to let you know, guys, that Nidhi ma'am and Deshi ma'am are the binding pillar behind this event. Their untiring efforts has shaped this whole event. So moving ahead, let's present the situation for round, the participant number 1, that's Drishti. So Drishti, the situation for you is, your projected sale numbers aren't accurate. The numbers you projected for better or for worse are wrong, but most entrepreneurs thrive in unpredictable situations. What would you have done? You have 1 minute to think of your answer. I repeat the situation. Your projected sales numbers aren't accurate. Numbers you projected for better or for worse are wrong, but most entrepreneurs thrive in unpredictable situations. What would you have done? And with this, 1 minute is done. Dhriti, you can unmute and speak up your answer.
Drishti, you're supposed to switch on your mic and your camera too to speak the answer, please.
Drishti, are you there?
Do we have Drishti with us? Or she's
She just texted in the chat box, I'm facing network issues. We can move to the next participant till then.
So moving ahead to our next participant, the situation for Ansh is, a co-worker is constantly coming late to work, and you know this because of their home situations. However, they continue to slide into work unnoticed. Will you say something or not? This situation is for participant Ansh. You have a minute to think of your answer. I'll repeat the situation. A co-worker is constantly coming late to work, and you know this because of their home situation. However, they continue to slide into work unnoticed. Will you say something or not?
I guess Ansh is not here right now, so we'll move to him later. And participants, please do answer when your name is being called out.
So we'll move ahead to our third participant, that's Ishita Gupta. And Ishita, the situation for you is?
Mudit, 1 second. Ishita, are you here?
Yes, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
you are.
So Ishita, the situation for you is, You are the head of the most important research team at an FMCG company. Your team is the only group that is entirely female. When the office is being redesigned, your team has been shifted to the less desirable location without your consent. How will you deal with it? Ishita, you have a minute to think of your answer. I repeat the situation. You are the head of the most important research team at an FMCG company. Your team is the only group that is entirely female. When the office is being redesigned, your team has been shifted to the less desirable location without your consent. How will you deal with it?
Can I answer?
For sure, Shita.
So firstly, I'll be asking the person who shifted my office to the less desirable location. I'll ask that person, why was this done? And then I'll deal with the situation. Like I'll deal with whatever he said. That person answers me with.
Nicely answered, Ishita.
Ishita, I have a question.
Yes.
Like, so are you going to give consent?
I might not.
You might not. So, I mean, won't you be thinking at least once, like, because you have a good job and still you are not, adhering to what your company has taught for you? It's a big FMCG company and you are head of the most important research team.
I might think about it for once. I'll give it a shot. I'll think. Then if I feel that if it's fine, like I'm comfortable and it doesn't have to deal with anything, like it doesn't have to deal with me being a female, then I'll accept and I'll give consent. But if the reason is that being a female, I'm getting a location which is less desirable, then I might not give consent and I would leave.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
So do we have any other questions for a participant from the jury? I guess no, we can move ahead. So the next situation is for participant Nidhi. I request our IT support to change the slide, please. Thank you. So Nidhi, the situation for you is, you see a co-worker harassing another employee, or you see a supervisor harassing or bullying a subordinate. What will you do? So do we have Nidhi with us?
Hello.
Hi Nidhi, you're audible.
Okay.
So Nidhi, you have a minute to think of it. Okay, you can answer. Go ahead.
If I see a co-worker harassing another employee, so I will advise the worker to take the matter to HR department, as there are policies regarding harassments in HR in HR department for dealing with such matters. So I will suggest the co-worker to take this matter to HR department.
So Nidhi, can you tell me like what kind of policies do you think HR would be having related to harassment?
Ma'am, I think they must be having policies like
Okay, so you will report to the HR department, but at first instinct, any other step would you like to take?
I think I will suggest the co-worker to directly talk with the person who is harassing him or her and try to
Okay, Nidhi, thank you.
Yes, I want to know from the previous question only. It is your supervisor. You see a supervisor harassing. So if you try to make a complaint, and in that situation it is a supervisor, maybe you are also going to lose your job. So how you will take your decision? Like nowadays, most of the people don't raise their voice only because of a reason that why we should interfere in others' matters, or otherwise our job also get lost. So how you are going to deal with this situation? Your job is more important, or that harassment which you need to stop out, that is more important?
Ma'am, I think if the supervisor is harassing, we should definitely complain about it, and we should not stop just because of the fear of losing our job. I know the job is very important, but facing harassment at the workplace is not right, and around more than 50% of the women face harassment at their workplace. So, and they just stop themselves from complaining because they think that they'll lose their job, and that's why this motivates the harassers to this motivates them. So I think we should take the corrective action to stop this harassment.
Okay, next question.
Thank you, Nidhi. So our fifth situation is for participant Devansh. Devansh, are you here with us?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, wonderful. There's a PR disaster on social media. The blow up may not be flattering, but even a negative attention can be a blessing in disguise for small business. How will you make the situation win for you? You have a minute to think of an answer. I'll repeat the situation again. There's a PR disaster on social media. The blow up may not be flattering, but even if negative attention can be blessing in disguise for small business. How will you make the situation win for you?
First of all, I would like to see the extent of the threat that PR situation is causing to the company's image, and that negative attention, I will try to turn it into a positive attention. For example, like the case of Coke Zero in Australia, it received a lot of negative attention, but that led to the increasing popularity of that company. So similarly, here also, I will see that how can I be benefited from all the attention I'm getting, and I would apologize for the disaster or for whatever wrongful doing the company has done or the event of the company has caused. That.
Don't you think it is unethical?
Yeah, I said I would apologize for that behavior to the public, and like a press conference would be initiated with the company and the top level management, the directors all would be giving they would apologize publicly, issuing a statement, and the company would try to rectify that mistake and like help the affected pay for damages.
Okay, fine.
Yes, one more question. Like you are saying, you are giving an example of US based Coke related. So I want to know, like country like India, where people are more of a sensitive issue. So in that situation, like if they are emotionally connected, do you think that this negative attention actually benefit to you? When people in India are emotionally connected, yes, that is the most important thing. So do you think that you actually get benefit?
Ma'am, if the sentiments of people are hurt and they are feeling offended by something, then ma'am, it will definitely not help the cause. So ma'am, in that case, ma'am, it will be a very difficult situation to cope up. But still, ma'am, the company will do whatever they think that will help their image. Maybe, ma'am, take some measures or.
You need to give any one strategy which you will adopt in country like India.
ma'am, like I will, ma'am, the affected group, I will, ma'am, cater to them first, and maybe give them some benefit, some ma'am, free supplies or something from my company or the service we are providing, and ma'am, chip into these CSR activities for that group of people.
Now you are moving in a right direction. Okay, good. Next.
IT team, can I please request you to please allow Ayush to rejoin because he's trying to.
Can I answer now? I think I am audible.
Yes, you can answer.
So there can be two scenarios in this case. First, if we projected greater sales than expected, then we already have more supply than demand. Thus, offers such as buy one, get one free or sales can use to suppress the supply. Secondly, if we projected lesser sales, we have to do demarketing, suppressing the demand by less marketing and advertising, allowing the balance between supply and demand.
Yes, except this, what other strategy you can adopt?
Sorry?
Except this, that you are saying that we need to do a demarketing. Except demarketing, is there any other alternative? Is there any other alternative except demarketing?
Ma'am, buy one, get one free of the, if the sales are the greater projected.
You are going to use buy one, get one free. Don't you think it is not a sustainable approach? That is a short-term approach only.
Ma'am, but supplies needs to go.
Supply?
Because we have already projected more than that.
So in order to only manage your projection, so buy one, get one is a right approach.
Ma'am, because we have projected more, so we have to somehow get away with that.
So don't you think your cost will enhance? You start looking forward for buy one, get one scheme, so you are somehow hampering your cost. Only to work on your projections, and projections are going high. So this buy one, get one scheme. So are you able to, and in this time scenario, do you think this type of a pandemic situation, this strategy will be an appropriate strategy?
But ma'am, it will bring more customers.
Whatever we are asking, our purpose is that we want to know more about your knowledge sake. We don't want any internet questions. So you need to apply, like previously how a student tried to 3-4 questions and so please come up and answer it. Whatever coming to your mind, at least answer. Okay, fine. Nitika, yes, I think, is there any other?
Yes, ma'am, there is one participant left after this.
Okay.
So as we don't have Ansh with us, we have Ayush Daga, the person on the 6th position covering for us. So Ayush, you're here?
Yeah.
So Ayush, the situation for you is a co-worker is constantly coming late to work, and you know this because of their home situation. However, they continue to slide into work unnoticed. Will you say something or not?
Yeah, 1 minute.
For sure. I'll repeat the situation. A co-worker is constantly coming late to work, and you know this because of their home situation. So, however, they continue to slide into work without unnoticed. Will you say something or not?
If in case student is not able to answer, are you answering?
I will say something.
Okay. Okay, please answer.
Yeah, employee who arrive late to work should be probably be given the benefit of the doubt, and as they are the valid reason for the late or not. Like if they have the valid reason for the late, it means it means the employee is saying good. The employee is saying right. But if the employee is saying daily wise, daily daily they are saying something else, but we should, I think I should change the employee, or we should change the employee.
Is it the first step that you should take to change the employee?
No, first step is not first step. I will watch the employee, and I will see like four to five.
Written also, the questions straight away says that he's coming late and he's repeating the situation again and again, and he's sliding into the work unnoticed. So as an HR manager or maybe as a boss, what are you going to do at the first instant?
First, I will talk with the employee whether if like in future he will come on time or not, or otherwise I will just told to my boss that late employee, but it in my business, like late employee can reduce the business if they're making for the lost work time at the time it needs to the shift. Moreover, it will be hurt the morale and work of the employee also.
That is fine. It will definitely, I mean, reduce the productivity of the organization. But somehow you have to first counsel, mentor, and take some good practices, practice some good practices, so that this is not repeated. You won't be giving him any chance.
I will be give the chance like 1-2 days and something also, but after that I will be, what can I do? Because for my company benefit, like if my company will not
Profit oriented leader, not employee oriented.
I'm profit oriented, because for me the company will be as much as profit, because the company can earn as much as profit.
Yes, you are saying that you are a profit oriented person, but
Yeah.
don't you think that still your profits get affected if you every time take a decisions like to?
No, but actually the employee is not coming regularly na, so it's not for me na. My company is not for, it's not for good for the company. Like
You have to look from both perspective, like what ma'am is suggesting, that if you go with the strategy of mentoring or all this, the reason being, another line if you look into, they continue to slide into work unnoticed. Maybe he was able to within a shorter period of time able to complete his work. So how you are going to identify whether recruiting a new person, it will lead towards a higher cost for a company? One,
yeah,
retention strategy is more important. So for retention purposes, and a person, only thing is that he is coming late. So how you are going to manage?
yeah, can you repeat once again?
Like he was constantly coming late, but somehow he was managing his work also, right? So in that situation, you are saying that either you throw him out.
No, first firstly I will see 4 to 5 days. I will watch and I will be just also help to the employee that if he will become on the time that, and also, but if the employee will become on the time, the employee also benefit now. It's a benefit to employee also.
Okay.
And
Okay, thank you, Ansh. Thank you very much for your perspective. But recruitment cost and retention cost will be more than the productivity. Okay.
yeah, but I'm not
Okay. Thank you.
Sorry.
Nitika, can we wind up?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
For sure. So those are our top 5 participants. Moving ahead, By the time we're evaluating the results, I would hand over the stage to Zishan Farid to talk about the theme of our virtual e-week.
Thank you, Mother, for inviting me to tell our participants here what the e-week theme is this year. And the theme is economy, environment, and entrepreneurship, innovation for sustainable future. Now, participants, we are organizing all of these events so that we can let everybody know and sensitize the issue of sustainable development. We are students. We are required to discuss such issues, and we are required to come up with solutions, because trust me when I say this, we are the future of the nation. We are the future of the world. So from now on, from this day on, from this e-week, start thinking about sustainability. Start thinking about what's going to happen after 20 years. Start thinking about how to achieve sustainable development goals. And it's not just as students that we need to think this. We need to think this as future leaders, as future administrators, as future managers, and as future business owners. It is my extreme pleasure to be associated with ESL Impresario, which looks at issues which are so important. And I thank the whole team. Of course, Jayeshi Sapra ma'am, Dr. Jayeshi Sapra ma'am, and Dr. Nidhi Gupta ma'am, who have supported us, and the whole Amity School of Business who have supported us in discussing such issues of importance. When you have to choose between innovating and sustainable development and economic recovery, what do? Well, that is a paradox which we need to solve. And that is something which is very imperative in today's day and age, which we as youth need to look ahead. So thank you, Impresario, and thank you, everybody, that we are discussing such issues. And I hope this leaves a profound impact on each and every one of us who attend this event. Thank you. Dr. Nidhi Gupta ma'am and Dr. Jayeshi ma'am, please, if you have a few words to say by the time we compile the results now.
Thank you, Zishan. I would like to appreciate each and everyone's effort, all the participants present here, that with full energy and enthusiasm you have participated and make this event one of the success. Because without your participation, an event can never be as successful. And our whole team of ESL Impresario, with patiently, they have come up with making a use of innovative technology tools in coming up with this, making an effective use of this platform, a virtual platform. Without their untiring effort, this event can't be successful. So an applaud for both participants as well as our team members. And all the answers at the last round, also those who reached to their last round, for us, all are very good. And in terms of their knowledge as well as their competition, they are very near to each other. So, but we have to take a decision. So now, shortly, you are going to get the results. But yes, I appreciate all of your efforts. So now over to Jayashree.
Yeah, I second whatever ma'am has said. I hope I am audible. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yes, ma'am. So whatever ma'am has said, correctly said, that using this virtual platform, all of you have really done a wonderful job. And specifically today's team members, Vaibhav Sharma, he was an excellent, emceeing part, whatever he has done the first round. Then Bittus, very humble. And Yuganshi, you also handled it very nicely. I mean, I would appreciate Mudit, Yuganshi, Bittus being the first year students. They've done wonderfully. And Anmol, the overall coordinator of today's event, right? Anmol and?
Ma'am, Anmol and Anirudh.
Anirudh.
Also Zishan and Harshit, they also helped
us. They are already there. They are always there. I mean, Nitika, Bhavya, Prabneet, Zishan, I would obviously, they are always there. Tushar is also there. And congratulations to all of you and all the participants. Thank you for joining us today. In fact, you've done a very, reach to this level also. Participating is more important, and your e-certificates for all will be provided to you. And I think the results must have come, Nitika?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. They're ready.
So you can announce it.
Zishan, can you share the screen? Okay, so congratulations to all the winners. I'll start from the third position. Third position goes to Miss Nidhi. Second position goes to Miss Ishita. And the first position goes to Mr. Devansh. I would clap for all the three winners and all the other participants as well who were with us today and who participated in all other rounds as well. It doesn't matter you get the first position, second position, or even if you don't get the positions, What matters is at the end you learn something new, because learning is something that you should never stop. And I'm so proud to say that everybody actually did so wonderful today. I'm really, really thankful to all the participants here and all the organizers of this event for making this event a very successful event and a very energetic one as well.
So can we see these students? Like,
I would request all the participants to turn on the cameras as well.
So you can, unshare the screen so that we can see everybody. Okay. So who are the participants? Who are the winners?
Divyansh is here. Ishita is turned on the camera. I would request Miss Nidhi as well to turn on the camera.
We're taking some pictures.
Okay, all three winners have turned on the cameras now.
I think everybody can turn their cameras on so that we can have a photograph.
Participants, could you please turn on the cameras? Though we cannot meet in person right now, but still we can make memories through virtual platforms as well. And we can have something to show to maybe our friends as well that we participated in this event through photos at least.
Okay, Devansh, you are from which college?
Amity only, ACCF.
ACCF, good. And what about Nidhi? You're muted.
I'm from JTB Commerce College, Kota.
Okay, good. And Ishita is from Amity. Okay, great job.
Congratulations.
Something to what
And Michael?
as Nitik, our very own Nitik says, the glass is always half full. So like this platform has given us an opportunity to interact and meet. Like pandemic or no pandemic, learning and knowledge should never stop. So here we are and enjoying this very true event, gathering knowledge, giving knowledge, gaining knowledge. And I hope we cherish this moment for years to come. And to conclude this event, I would like to invite Anmol Bindra for the vote of thanks.
Thank you so much. I, Anmol Kaur, would like to take the opportunity on behalf of whole ECEL Impresario to extend a vote of thanks to everyone for gracing this event with their presence. But before that, I would like to share a quote with you all that is very much familiar to each one of us. And that is, business opportunities are like buses. There is always another one coming, which means to never lose hope and try even harder to accomplish your goals. Then surely one day you will be a successful Vyapari. With great sense of admiration, I would like to thank our Honorable Founder President Sir Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan, Honorable Chancellor Dr. Atul Chauhan Sir. I would also like to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Balvinder Shukla Ma'am and our respected Director Professor Dr. J.K. Sharma Sir, and our faculty coordinators Dr. Nidhi Gupta and Dr. J.G. Sapra for creating such great learning opportunities and for their constant support and guidance, as well as for being the jury of the day. Without them, this event would not have been possible. Your gracious presence and delightful thoughts have surely brightened up our day. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our ECEL student coordinators Nitika Sharma, Bhavya Kumar and Prabneet Kohli for their leadership and our complete team who have worked tirelessly, especially during this time of virtual learning. I hope we all cherish this wonderful experience for years to come. Thank you.